you as host of today's assembly presentation, and the topic is looking for your real self. If your voice is high, only few people will listen. If your thought is high, then many people will hear. So I call Bhumika and Anna for thought.
Good morning to all. The thought of the day is your true self is beyond either relying on others or avoiding them in order to know who you are. I repeat it. Your true self is beyond either relying on others or avoiding them in order to know who you are. The meaning of the thought is sometimes you have to avoid others to look into yourself or you have to ask others to guide you. I repeat it, sometimes you have to avoid others to look into yourself or you have to ask others to guide you. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to today's news. The headlines are International News, G20 Summit in India, opportunity to act on reforming global financial system. Amid crushing debt crisis, UN Chief Guterres. National News. Countdown for Chandrayaan-3 launch from Shrikanwartara begins on July 14.
Sports news. India vs West Indies Test 3-2. Yashasvi Jaiswal and Rohit Sharma slam 100 as India take control. Weather forecast news. Today's temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius and the wind speed is 12 km per hour. Humidity is 93%. Thank you.
School news. Green Day will held on 17th of July. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's idioms are, my first idiom is to make pull someone legs. The meaning of this idiom is to make fun of someone, and the sentence is Kevin's friends kept pulling his legs all evening.
My second idiom is bend over backward. The meaning is to make every effort to achieve something, especially to be fair and helpful. The sentence is we bent over backward to help her, but she never ever bothered us. Thank you. As principal, Vandana as teacher, Mahi as counselor, Dakshita, Yashasvi and other students as classmates. Now we hand over mic to Anya and Samisha for a special program. 1. All the students are worried about their life. They are not sure of their own selves. As you can see, they are listless and they need help. Don't worry guys, we will talk to our teacher. Let's go. The children decided to go and meet the teacher. May we get in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you?
We are not fine, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am,
We don't know what to do. We are really confused about our life and career. We are really confused. You all have the same problem.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will talk to principal, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Well, the teacher consoles them and assures them to get some solution.
For this, she approaches to the principal.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please get in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
Some of my students are worried about their career. They need some counseling.
Okay, it's common among the students of their age and also it's the question for the future too.
Yes, sir.
I will call a vice counselor for the students. You must take the students in the seminar hall tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh.
The principal calls the counselor to the school to get the crux solved.
Hello, is this counselor Mahi speaking?
Yes, this is Counselor Mahi speaking.
I am Principal Soni speaking to you.
Yes, I see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, we want you on the date 14 July in our school for counseling the students
Okay, sir. For what purpose?
regarding self-awareness.
Okay, sir. I will come tomorrow at sharp 9 am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
till the counselor comes. Please take your seat. Do you know how to explore and accept yourself?
No, ma'am.
So, today we will be discussing about self-exploration, acceptance and meditation. Students, exploration is the process to find yourself what is valuable to your life and explore yourself. Meditation for your self-acceptance. You should then meditation is a process to find yourself, discover yourself. You may face many problems in your life, but you should handle it very carefully. There may be many reasons for your variations, but there may be many reasons there should be lack of confidence, exploration, but get a command over it. I hope you have understood very well.
She discussed with the students and made them realize that everything depends on us. She provides them some remedies through which they can overcome the problems that they are facing.
Kamakshi for a short summary.
We all have seen the skit where all the students were in a state of commotion. But after their conversation with their teacher, principal and counselor, they analyzed themselves. So the school, principal and teachers played a vital role in students' life. And now they are able to analyze themselves and know their interests and weaknesses. So the moral of our skit is, the more you know yourself, you can decide the best path for your future.